Hey everyone, here's time for another Art Tip Tuesday. I put together this palette, probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I was in a big hurry and I didn't swatch them. Luckily, I put all the paints in a Ziploc bag, so I knew what I'd know what I would have in this palette. So I'm gonna speed through here and do a quick swatch card of every color so I can keep it in this palette. But that's the art tip for today. Always swatch your palettes, always swatch your colors so you know what you have in there, because some of them are so transparent unless you paint with them that you really can't tell what they are. So I always like to keep a reference sheet in my palette, so you can just watch this. I'll speed through it and we'll make this an Art Tip Tuesday. But always swatch your materials. Okay, so there we go. I've got my colors swatched out. I made a mistake and I labeled the cadmium red deep in the wrong spot, so I switched those around. But I think I'll know which one's which. If not, I'll make a new swatch card. These swatched out quite beautifully. I did a real fast job. I didn't do a real nice job and watered them down, but I just wanted to have a reference. These are very vibrant colors, and I think they'll make some wonderful mixes. So thanks for joining me, and like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.